Hi, my name is Brittany Miles.
Hi, my name is Lily Peterson.
Hi, I'm Roxanne Ray.
My name is Lorena and I'm excited to talk to you about something that's incredible close to my heart.
My favorite way to share doTERRA is in-person connections.
I have
this. I share doTERRA by first focusing on my own personally lived experiences.
I actually do a lot of my sharing online.
It's a lifestyle, really, so I use everyday life to share the benefits of essential oils.
You simply listen to people. Everyone is always talking about something that they have, their child has, their husband has.
Whatever it might be, then I might pull out my breathe oil and say, oh my goodness, I have this that works really well for me.
What I found most successful is to be able to cast many nets. Love to get involved into farmers markets, booths, expos, things like that.
I love to give content, free content, a lot of publication, a lot of posts, more on an informative manner.
Online class every Monday in order for all of us to learn a designated topic.
You are like a detective and you're looking for places that you as a solutions provider can take care of needs.
I always love to share my first aha moment using essential oils and how the light bulb literally went off in my head, realizing the power of essential oils.
I'm very passionate about women's health and I think they have impacted my life so much.
So what I've done is I've created little business cards that say you're getting a free aroma touch, and it gives a quick description of what it is, and then it has my doTERRA website on the back so they can go research doTERRA on there if they would like to.
So we do a lot of fun stuff, like we make DIY lipsticks or candles or soaps, or we teach a class on something that's relevant.
关键要把这些场景分享给伙伴们，除了要有科学的基础，更要有对生活的热情。分享精油是由心而发，因为热爱，所以分享；因为受益，所以感恩；因为分享，所以帮到更多的人；因为一滴油，慢慢改变这个世界。
Posting graphics, videos, offering samples.
I use them in social settings and even in my clinic on our patients.
I've started networking more with people in my area, and so I know everybody has a group in their general city or area that you can network with.
People were starting to reach out to me all the time for, hey, what can I use for this problem? Hey, do you have something for this? Or tell me more about what you're doing. Like, I've had so many people that are interested in doing the business. I have found business partners, multiple, through social media.
When people know that you have their heart in mind and you want to get them the best products to help with their health, wellness, detoxification of their home, they really open up, they trust you, and you can really help them integrate these products into their home.
There's something truly magical about connecting with someone on a deeper level and guide them toward a greater sense of emotional well-being. Every drop of essential oil is like a tiny vial of natural goodness.
People are looking for something that they need in their lives to improve it, and know that we have the answer that they're looking for. Easy. Just put that oil in their hand and you've got them.
That is how I share doTERRA and how I would recommend others sharing doTERRA as well.